Welcome back to Weekend Smile, guys. So our guest now was here a couple weeks ago, and he's back again. This time on Zoom to reinforce quarantine and build. Here to help you learn a skill is Joel Nomdarkam. Hi, Joel. How are you?
Hey, Talia. How you doing?
Good to see you up and early.
Over here upon lockdown, because I'm in St. Catherine now.
Okay.
So I couldn't make the appearance, but technology brings us together nonetheless.
Amen,
so yeah,
amen.
man, I'm doing pretty good.
Joel.
Amen.
Joel?
Yeah, man, hearing you.
Why are you dressed like that?
Eh?
Why are you dressed
First
like
of all, hold on. First of all, people need to understand that even though they're you need to still channel that inner creativity. You don't know some is a creative already. No, first of all, we know the man them know, so we're not a barber at all.
Okay, so
your
you're
hairline
hiding your
style
hairline.
grows.
Okay. All right. Well, it seems extra is you cut your own hair.
Actually, well,
All right.
my barber is an express service.
Oh,
Express.
it's an express service.
Yeah.
You better be careful.
And he wears his
Trust
gloves
me,
and everything.
we're feeling the barber pain.
So-
Trust me, we're feeling it.
So Joel, I know that we've been seeing a lot of pressure on social media, or I wouldn't even say pressure, but motivation on social media. Where they're
Yes.
saying we have a lot of downtime now, we can learn a new skill, we can, practice and get better
Yeah.
at our craft. But is that for everybody, and what's the best way to go about it,
Yeah, I think one of the things is because a lot of marketers are sharing courses that they're doing. So you find it that there's an upsurge in even the utilization of Google Garage. So you have a lot of people now doing digital courses, a lot of people doing social media marketing courses, etc.
Okay.
And as such, because a lot of people are not necessarily in marketing, they can't relate to that, and that's what they've been seeing mainly. So everybody now doing the fundamentals of Google, of digital marketing from Google, etc. But really and truly, there are tons of other courses that are available that doesn't necessarily speak to marketing. There are courses that you can do if you want to improve your guitar playing skills. There's courses that you can do for sports marketing and stuff like that. But in all honesty, I think people should stop looking at this as a productivity contest, because what works for somebody might not work for some people. Some people really and truly are getting acclimatized to the reality of what's going on now, so they can't really look on a course or anything like that. While you have other persons who do have the time now to kind of accelerate them self-development and things. And I really think it's really good to kind of know where you stand so that you don't get distracted and feel like you're not living up to doing something right now
Society's
as a means of
expectations.
Yeah, so be careful of that. But at the same time, you also need to go out and research and find other things, because not because you're seeing everybody doing a Google course means you need to go and do a Google course as well. You might find something that you love, and you can actually build yourself by just doing that.
All right, Joe, what I've been seeing on social media is a lot of challenges. Don't rush, put your this into it, put all of that. That's all I'm seeing on social media. So how can people sift through the noise, because there's online parties going on here, dance, keep this up, cook out this up. How do you sift through this now to find the material that you want?
I'm happy that you asked that question, because I'm over the Don't Rush Challenge. I'm over the Push-Up Challenge. Like, it's not adding anything to me as an individual.
Have you done any push-ups?
Yeah, man. I do push-ups before the challenge. I do my 100 push-ups every day.
I have to say that.
But people need to understand. First of all, there's a lot of noise, as you said. There's a lot of noise going on right now. Dance, keep, all sort of stuff. And it's good for enjoyment. But what after the enjoyment? Have you developed anything? Have you added any new craft? And as such, some of these online platforms such as the Google Garage, Udemy, these are places that you can go and learn. Google Garage, as everybody would have been doing their digital marketing course, also offer courses in career development and data and technology. So these are free courses that you can use to accelerate your LinkedIn and your professional self. I think that's what people should be focused on right now. Yeah, enjoy yourself when you got to dance in my nighttime, but at the end of the day, what are you getting? Is there anything valuable you're adding to yourself 2 weeks out of this quarantine? You know what I mean?
Right.
There's courses on public speaking, how to land your next job, fixing up your resume, improving your business security. And these are things that a lot of business owners now need to tap into. And the beauty about this is that it's not only extended to business owners, but by the way, when you hear trainer pass, the woman train pass and things, Spanish don't believe. There's also udemy.com, which does, have partnered with how many universities that offer courses for kids. So you have, children can learn how to draw 25 cartoons step by step, inspiring art experience. People can learn how to code if you have that passion.
Yeah.
There's also other categories like personal transformation, IT and software, animation and 3D.
Okay.
Listen,
I know
things.
Harvard offered some 67 courses, free courses.
67 free courses.
But the question now is, because I know a lot of corporations, they don't necessarily recognize online certification. So
by the way, guys, the train of pass right now, so sorry for the noise.
Well, we can still hear you.
Yeah, man, we can hear you.
When they don't recognize the online certification, what do they do? What do I do now with the skill that I've gotten out of this quarantine period?
Yes.
What do I do?
All right. As you say, most of the courses are not verified. But the thing is, you have some of them that you can pay an additional fee and get the verification. So the same Harvard University is offering 67 free courses. One of them talk about, introduction to computer science. And all I need to do after doing all of this is to pay $90 for a verified certificate.
Okay.
The thing though is that most of them is really the tutorial videos you get to watch, and you can kind of use to build your skill. My thing is, get a notebook. If you don't have the $90, get a notebook, make some jotting so that you can make some application to whatever it is that you were even learning the course for in the first place. But at the same time, it's kind of a really good investment if you spend just that extra $90 or $70 from a Harvard University to be certified. Okay. Because, you're putting all of the work.
Okay.
And not only that, but you also have other courses that you can take, like Introduction to Japanese Pronunciation for Communication. And in that specific, for that specific course, which is offered by EDX, all you need to do is to pay an extra $49 and you can get the certification. So most of the courses that are offered by these big enterprises and platforms, you get the free tutorial videos to watch, but you don't really get the certification. But like a HubSpot and a Google, you get a certification each time you finish. And that's if you really want to show the work of what you're doing.
And that can really enhance you in whatever way that, you probably put your mind to it. So you mentioned a few. You mentioned Google Garage. You mentioned HubSpot Academy.
Yes.
And you also mentioned the Harvard University 67 free courses.
Yes.
What are some of the other best online courses that you would recommend right now, Joel?
Some of the best online courses are there's you can check out the Allison website that has like a host of different certifications. But honestly, I think especially if your end game is to really prove that you were doing something, one of the ones that I really want you to sit on is HubSpot Academy. I know I mentioned that before, but because of the number of certifications that you actually get an actual certification that you can print out to prove that X and Y. Okay. As soon as quarantine started, I did 2 courses to kind of brush up on social media marketing and email marketing, and I had the 2 certifications that I could add to my LinkedIn profile. And as I said, Talia, it really helps to raise your profile as an individual. A lot of jobs right now and companies are looking for persons who don't necessarily hold a degree in a specific field of study, but if you have your certifications, it really does help. So I would suggest going in that direction, but still, if you want to get to Harvard, say study, if you read some course at Harvard, that would be good as well.
Harvard will always sound good, Joel. It will always sound good, right? Don't extol.
Indeed. All right, the corporate eccentric, Joel Nandarkam. Thank you, my friend.
Yeah, man, no problem. Thank you.
All right.
Okay, so you saw a peek at Joel's workspace. We're helping you with yours on the other side of the break. Soon come.